China Coal Industry and Mining Group was founded in the 1990s, which has 3 subsidiaries, 23 specialist companies, 3 Hong Kong companies, and 1 United Kingdom Cayman company, with more than 1,100 employees. It is a largely diversified industrial group which combines the intelligent manufacturing, e-commerce, international trade, software research, and intelligent logistics into one. Cultivated and supported by the National Ministry, the Commerce Ministry, the National Development and Reform Commission, and the Science Ministry. Shandong China Coal Group has been named the Ministry Commerce Innovation Pilot Enterprise, the Ministry Industrial Brand Cultivation Pilot Enterprises, the Excellent Enterprise in the Machinery Industry of China, one of the top 10 manufacturers of operating equipment of China, the recognized e-commerce enterprise of Shandong Province, the e-commerce model enterprise of Shandong Province, the model of informatization enterprise of Shandong Province, and the president of the Electronic Commerce Association of Jining City. In 2011, Shandong China Coal Group actively developed overseas markets, established the e-commerce international trade branch, Shandong China Coal Group Hong Kong International Trade Company in Hong Kong, and the China Coal Manufacturing Group Company in Cayman Islands. Furthermore, by fully making use of the brand strength, the modern information platform, and fan guarantee, the group has set up a trade system focusing on the import and export of the industry and mining equipment, and relying on resources and markets, which officially open a new chapter in global development strategies. International market expansion. In order to better expand the international market and carry out the cross-border e-commerce, China Coal Group builds an overseas marketing team that is majored in English, French, German, Portugal, Russian, and Arabic. In addition, China Coal trademark has been registered in 32 countries and regions, such as EU, America, Russia, Britain, Taiwan, Indonesia, and Israel, which effectively promote the development of cross-border e-commerce in the overseas market. Currently, the group cross-border e-commerce team has exported products to more than 131 countries and regions, including America, Australia, Russia, Georgia, and Austria through the globally leading transnational B2B e-commerce platform of industry and mining machinery industry, www.equang.net, contributing to foreign exchange of $50 million, and imported advanced large equipment nearly $30 million. The global customer breakthrough 360,000. At the same time, China Coal Group has also obtained the Certificate of Independent Declarer for Foreign Trade and the Certificate of Import and Export Declarer of the People's Republic of China, set up the Custom Clearance and Inspection Team, and has provided custom clearance and inspection service to a lot of other enterprises. Until July 2015, the Group International Trade Company Customs Declaration quantity has reached 1,350, and the declarations amount has reached to $27 million. Outstanding achievements. In 2012, China Coal International Company independently operated equang.net, aiming at the future development trend of the international market, and by using of the Internet of Information Technology, it provides one-stop service covering the supply of all resources, acquisition, integration, share, payment, logistics, information inquiry, and marketing of resources to the manufacturers of mining mechanical equipment in the world, which greatly drive the entire mining machinery industry development of e-commerce growth. At present, Equang owns more than 200,000 members around the world, and its global customers have reached to 360,000. Until now, Equang has facilitated the trading volume to 15 billion yuan for the global e-commerce mining machinery industry. In 2013, Yiquan was selected as e-commerce integrated innovation pilot project by the National Ministry and listed as key supporting project of cross-border e-commerce. Talent construction. The group actively innovates the concept of cross-border e-commerce talent development and builds the school enterprise integration and embedded development mode. It has signed a school enterprises cooperation agreement with the Shandong University of Science and Technology, Shandong Vocational College of Foreign Affairs Translation, Yantai Nanshan University, Jining University, and Shandong Polytechnic College. They have established a China co-titled class, the ordered class, and set up training base in colleges and universities. The university and college cultivate more than 300 cross-border e-commerce talents for group every year. At present, our group has 138 international trade commissioner, 28 customs declarers, and 20 inspection staff, provide a strong talent pool for cross-border e-commerce development. Leading care. Jin Paiding, the former Deputy Minister of Foreign Affairs. Dong Jinyi, the former China Diplomat Association Vice President and Secretary, visited Shandong China Co-Group and spoke highly of our cross-border e-commerce development achievements. Professor Li Guojie from China Academy of Engineering arrived at China Co-Group in person and greatly praised the information construction. Xia Geng, the Vice Governor of Shandong Province, leading the provincial office of 14 bureau leaders, came to visit our group and highly recognized the group's outstanding achievements in the Internet of Things, Big Data, cloud computing, and cross-border B2B commerce platform construction. Shi Zhenming, the Director of Shandong Provincial Department of Commerce. Wang Xia, the Provincial Policy Research Deputy Director. Lian Kai, Yang Xiaojun, the Provincial Economic and Information Working Committee Deputy Directors. Chief Engineer Zhao Shuling and Ma Pingchang, the Provincial Regional Office Leader and Secretary of Municipal Party Committee, leading the major municipal leadership team, came to visit group for inspection and guidance successively. The care of leaders at all levels brings confidence and the great power to the development of China Co-Group. In the development journey in the future, we will actively implement the new national cross-border electricity development policy, take Yiquan platform as carriers to further improve the cross-border e-commerce industry train and the electronic train, accelerate cross-border e-commerce development by leaps and bounds, develop Shandong China Co-International Trade into a cross-border e-commerce industry group with international competitive needs.